Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Realme C55. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store, then find Microsoft Edge in the top. Install it. When it's ready, click on the Open. Then we'll be able to customize the browser, so read through introduction if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Customize your browser with show wallpaper, show most visited sites and news feeds. Click on next when you're ready. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization, make Microsoft Edge default browser, and lastly, agree or disagree with the data sharing. Click on confirm when you're ready. And now the browser should be set, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.